Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to talk about power words, important words that will help you speak English fluently and confidently. Use these words in your daily conversations, and you'll sound like a natural English speaker. Let's get started. 1. Absolutely a. This means completely or 100% sure. Example sentence. Ga. I absolutely love this movie. 2. Definitely a. Used when you strongly agree with something. Example sentence. Ma. We should meet again soon. Ka. Yes, definitely. 3. Perhaps e. A polite way to say maybe. Example sentence. Perhaps we should leave early to avoid traffic. 4. Actually 2. Used to correct or add information. Example sentence. Zo. I thought the meeting was tomorrow, but actually, it's today. 5. Certainly a. This means for sure or without a doubt. Example sentence. Can you help me with this? Certainly. 6. Exactly. A. Use this when you fully agree with someone. Example sentence. Kai. So you mean we should finish the work today? Exactly. 7. Probably san. Used when something is likely to happen. Example sentence. And it will probably rain tomorrow. 8. Suddenly, when something happens very quickly or unexpectedly. Example sentence. The light suddenly went off. 9. Immediately, means right away, with no delay. Example sentence. Please call me immediately when you arrive. 10. Fortunately, used when something good happens. Example sentence. So, I missed my flight, but fortunately, I got another one quickly. And that's it. These power words will make your English sound natural and fluent. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll speak English with confidence. See you in the next video.